How to install Imagen Plugin in Figma. First go to the ModelsLab.com, then into Plugin section. Then go to Imagen section and click Imagen for Figma. Then download the plugin. Then go to your downloaded plugin folder and extract the file. Once it is extracted, open the folder and select manifest.json file, then copy the folder path. Now open Figma. Click on the Figma icon and select Plugin, then Development, and then Import Plugin from Manifest. Or you can click Directly Manage Plugin. Select All and Import from Manifest. Now paste the copied path here. Now click on Imagen Plugin. Select Preferences and enter your token access key and save it. If you don't have the key, click on Manage Subscription. It will redirect you to the ModelsLab's subscription plan page. Select a plan according to your need, and you will get the token key on the dashboard of ModelsLab website. Once you have the token key, go back to Figma and enter your token key. Now click on Text to Image tab. Now you can start prompting according to your requirement. For example, I need an image of dog and cat together. Select your parameters according to your need, and click Generate. Voila! As you can see, we have generated 3 different images and all of them look very beautiful. Select the image you want to add to your canvas and click Add to Canvas. That's it, folks. Keep prompting.
AI Plugins by ModelsLab.